Hello students, we are back again with part 2 or option form filling for your standard 11th admission to various junior colleges. Right? Now part 1 we have already uploaded on YouTube, and the link for the same video is available in the description. You can always go through that. Let's see now. So you have to log into Mumbai 11th admission.org.in. This is the home page which is displayed. Here is where you have already registered and filled the part 1. So you can see that a few new tabs have been introduced over here. The first being search, wherein you can search the junior college information. If you click on this, a search window opens. There are a number of tabs given here. So if you click on zone, let's say Mumbai South, area, let's say Dadar, then college type, co-education, stream, I want science, and stream status, maybe aided, medium, English, and this other things I did not write. And if I search, what I want to get here is a number of colleges that are available in this particular zone at Dadar West, which is a science stream college of an English medium. So, depending on the zone that you choose, the area that you choose, a number of colleges will be displayed over here. You can see the UDAS code. Write down through the search engine whichever college you want to take admission into in whichever zone. So, the name of the college and the UDAS number you can write down on a piece of paper. Minimum 1 or maximum 10 colleges options you can give. So you can write down all these colleges, and then that can be utilized further when you are filling up the option form. So this is what is the search engine. Similarly, the stream information, commerce, arts, science, you will get it through this. The next is then know your eligibility. Now this particular window helps you to understand, depending on what marks you have opted, whether you are eligible to get into a particular college at round 1 level. So for example, if I take here that I want to take admission to science stream and my marks here are, let's say, 410, and the range of marks up to 10 extra marks I am just considering, and then the gender I select. I have no social reservation, so for an open category, and no special reservation. The medium being I want to take admission to English medium, and of course it's the first admission round, so this will be displayed for first. Consequently, for the second round it would be accordingly. So I'll just enter the captcha code. Now, for my marks obtained, these are the colleges to which I can get admission in the first round for the science stream. So with this also you can zero down on the number of colleges where you can easily be admitted in the first round, and note down the UDAS number, the college name, which can be utilized further when you are writing the option form. So this is know your eligibility. Then is the cutoff. Now here last year's cutoff for round 1, round 2, round 3, etc. is given. If you click on this, an Excel sheet will be generated that can be downloaded and accessed, and you can find out as to which college had what marks cutoff for in the last year. Then comes the vacancy. Now this vacancy is for round 1. Since the next is the round 1, here you will find that all colleges have almost all the seats available. Now once round 1 is over, students have been admitted. After that, the vacancy would be uploaded for the second round. So in each college for the second round, how many seats are available, you can find out that, and accordingly you can choose the college. The reports here simply gives you the data as to how many students have registered, how many have locked their form, how many forms are verified, how many students have got into round 1, etc., etc. So we are not interested in this. What we want to know is whether you are eligible for a particular college and which colleges you want to get admission into. You can search through this search engine. Fine. So let's go back to the home page. And now we'll take one example of a child and log in and see how the option form is to be filled. Let's see. So now you click on login and the login ID you already have received when you are registered in this particular portal. So my login ID here is, I'll just okay, and the password you have generated that, you may have received it in your email or as SMS. Fine. Login. Now your form is generated over here, which says that your application form is auto verified. Auto verification is done when you are an SSC student and you do not have any reservation. The form gets auto verified. Suppose that you are from any other board or you fall under any other reservation. In that case, the form would go to your school for verification and it will be verified by your school. The moment you have the status here as the form verified, only then you can fill the option form part 2. Right? So let's see here. Cap option. First we have to choose the stream and medium. So we are going to click on stream and medium. The 10 standard examination details will come automatically since you have filled up the part 1. And then you are selecting the stream science. You are selecting the medium English and save. The next, then you will go to cap option wherein you have to choose a junior college. You have choose junior colleges, either 1, maximum 10, minimum 1. And you have to set preferences and finally you have to lock the form. So now we click on choose junior colleges. Now as you can see here that there are a number of tabs, drop down windows given. This is a search engine from where you can select the junior colleges which you are interested in. So the stream you have already selected as science, the medium you have already selected as English. Suppose the status here is aided. The college type is co-education. Let me keep other things as it is. The zone, area, stream code, I am not going to add anything over here. Now depending on your required zone, it could be Mumbai South, it could be Thane, it could be Bhiwandi, it could be Mumbai North, anything. Or the area you can choose, suppose you choose Mumbai South, then you can choose Paikala, Churchgate, Dadar, whatever is your requirement. Right? You need not write the UDAS code, junior college name or stream code. But suppose that in the search engine you have already zeroed down on about 10 to 12 colleges where you already know the UDAS number. You can always put the UDAS number over here. I'll give you an example that if I put this, okay. I already got a college here because I knew the UDAS number. So supposing that I do not know the UDAS number, and I want an admission in aided college and I search the junior colleges, there would be a list of junior colleges that are coming over here which says that stream science, English, aided colleges, co-education and all zone, that is throughout Mumbai. Now suppose you have chosen a particular zone and you get a list of let's say 25 colleges. Out of these 25 you are interested in 10 colleges. So I am going to select here maybe, I am just choosing here randomly. You can choose, reading the name accordingly you can choose the college and then click on add selected junior colleges. Selected junior colleges added successfully. I'll click on OK. So now these are we have already added the selected junior colleges, and here you can see selected junior colleges by you. Total selected junior colleges 9. So these are the 9 colleges that I have selected, and if suppose that after choosing 9 colleges I feel that okay, this particular college I am not interested in, then you can click on that and delete the junior college. Preferences or choose junior colleges. These are the selected junior colleges, as we had seen 9 junior colleges, and we will save and next. So once we have saved 9 junior colleges, you can see over here, this is the list of 9 junior colleges that we have selected. Now what we get here is reset the preferences, sort the preferences, save and next. Now I have to first choose the preferences. Let's see here, choosing the preferences, Jhunjhunwala is my first preference. Then let's say Khalsa is my second preference. Versova Welfare third preference. So whatever preferences that you need, you may just select one by one accordingly and then click on sort preferences. You can see here that your preferences are sorted here 1 to 9, and then you can click on save and next. Suppose that you want to again select or sort the preferences, you can reset the preferences. Again my preferences I can change and sort it. Okay. Till I am sure what preference I want, you can do this, and once done, you can click on save and next. So now my application form is ready. Your part 1, your part 2 where the college list is there, entire list is here. After this, most importantly, you have to check on the square given here and lock the option form. Many times it happens that students fill everything but forget to lock the option form. If you do not lock the option form, your number will not be reflected in the merit, in the online list that is generated. So the next is you click on this and lock the option form. Now do you want to surely lock the option form? Confirm. Now this is what is my second part 2 form, print option form. And you can print this option form wherein you have the list of colleges that you have selected. Now, I have done all this. After 2 days, I realized that, oh, I don't want this particular preference. I want some other college. I search and I realize that, no, I do not want this. In that case, you can unlock the option form. As you can see here, I am entirely responsible. I unlock the option form. Do you still want to unlock? Confirm. Yes. Once you unlock the option form, I can now again go to choose junior colleges. These are the 9 chosen one. You can add more over here or delete anyone which you want. You can again set the preferences. This was your earlier preference. You can reset or change the preference, whatever you want to do. Now this can be done only till the last day of part 2 form filling. Once that last day is over, whatever you have written here and locked the option form, only that will be considered. So this is how you are filling the part 2 or the option form. Now on the left hand side dashboard, there are a number of other tabs like apply for in-house quota. So if you are applying through in-house quota, you will click on this and then fill the form. Apply for minority quota. If you are applying through minority quota, for example, you are a Sindhi minority, Sindhi linguistic minority, and you want Jai Hind College or HR College, which is a Sindhi linguistic minority. In that case, you will click on minority quota. Apply for management quota. Now this for whichever college you want to go for management quota, you have to go and directly contact the college for the management seat and change in-house or minority details. So here in this tab, everything is given over here. Whatever you want to do, you can do either application form part 1, log, unlock, change, verification center, but everything is given over here. You can choose accordingly and fill your option form. Fine. So that's it for option form 2. Thank you so much.